And yes, it's also closed, and we have $833 on the account. Still everything is okay for now. Yes, the first trade is closed with profit. We have $134 on the account right now. Now give me several seconds to analyze the market and find the next currency pair for today's trading session. We have switched to $100 investment. Okay, so we have opened sell position. Sell position is opened, $100 are invested. Oh, thanks God. It was too close to the failure, but anyway, we did it. We closed this trade with profit. We have $226 on the account right now. Let's continue. We have a lot of time to make much and much more. If you remember, our goal for today is around $1,000. Chart, what do we have? Price is now hitting the bottom line of the flat channel. Let me draw it for you, my friends, so that you can clearly see what is going on. Same like in the first trade. Let me open buy position. Let's invest $160. Buy position has been opened. Very simple trade. We're just expecting the pullback reaction from the support line zone, which is also the bottom line of the flat channel. Oh my God, this looks really good. Just look at this bullish candle. We have already done the bullish consumption of the previous bearish candle. This looks really good. We have received 1,000,000,000% confirmation of the continuation of the current growth. Almost done, and yeah, we have closed this trade with profit. We have $373 on the account, and we are ready to continue. Okay, so by the way, my friends, while I'm trading, don't forget to open description to this video and subscribe to my private TG, link for which, as I told you, you can find in the description. What will you get here? First of all, the best trading signals, analytics, and educational materials that will help you to become a professional, experienced trader. And moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my VIP channel, and I will give you access to the same kind of online trading sessions as which I'm doing right now. And you will be able to start trading and earning money online daily. So don't waste your time. Use the link in the description right now and be with me. See you all. Okay. While I was talking, I have already opened one more buy position at the Audi USD currency pair. Why did we do this? Because according to the Parabolic SAR, we're now in the buy zone. According to the Williams, we're not overbought yet. We're close to this, but not overbought yet. And according to the fractal, we're also in the buy zone. Yes, I would say quite a risky trade, but we have already earned nice amount of money, so that's why we can take a small risk. And for now, everything is looking really nice. Just around 3 seconds left, and we are in profit. And yes, we have closed this trade. We have $557 in the account. We're quite close to our goal of 1,000. So that's why let's us continue trading, my friends. According to the Williams, let me open sell position, because according to the Williams, we are overbought as much as possible, and that means that we're highly likely to receive the pullback reaction from this resistance line zone right now and get the cool down of the price. And yes, it's also closed, and we have $833 on the account. And still, I think, let's kill it. A slight upgoing channel. And according to it, you can clearly see that we have touched... I'm sorry, guys. We have touched the upper edge of the upgoing channel. We immediately started receiving the pullback reaction. That's why we have opened sell position, expecting the pullback, which is already realizing by the market. already in the profit, and I have even made more than I predicted. We have earned $1,247 instead of $1,000. So for us, it's a very nice income for today. My guys, my friends, my dear brothers and sisters, if you want to have the same kind of results as me, it's absolutely possible. And all you need for this is just right now open the description to this video and subscribe to my private TG, link for which you know where to find. So now I wish you the best day ever. See you all, kiss you all, and bye-bye.